British loggers settled in the area near the banks of the Mopan River to cut the valuable logwood. Benque Viejo, which means old bank, refers to the logging camps along the river bank once occupied by British settlers.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? I just had lunch.
But why are you throwing your garbage in the river?
Well, I mean, there's garbage all over the place, so why wouldn't I throw it in the river?
Don't you know that this damages the river and eventually the sea?
Yeah, but look all around you, there's so much garbage everywhere. So what are you trying to say? Me throwing garbage in the river is bad?
Yes, you need to take action and start taking care of the river because whatever you throw into the river will end up in the sea.
If oceans, streams, and rivers are polluted, the large bacteria will start to build up and eventually depleting the oxygen and causing large or even species to move out of their habitats.
Let's make the right choice and clean up our resources.
Like a symbiosis relationship. Two different species living together and depending on each other. That's what the Mopan River and its diverse organisms means to us. The Mopan River has collaborated in the beautiful town of Benque Viejo since the early 60s, when the loggers used the resources of the river to transport logs. Like every living organism, is specially equipped to cope with a particular set of environmental factors, we seek as a community to preserve its maintenance and welfare of our resources and diverse species. If oceans, streams, and rivers are polluted, the large population of bacteria will build up and start deplete oxygen, causing the fish and other organisms to leave their habitats. Many fish that are active swimmers, like the mountain mullet, live in an unpolluted stream with plenty of oxygen and wouldn't survive in disturbed areas. Since every organism has a major task in its ecosystem, even small plankton, which are the producers in an aquatic food chain and ending with a large grouper, makes a precise aquatic food chain.
Belize as a whole depends on its marine resources because it is a source of economy. Tourists come to Belize for its marine attractions, for instance, snorkeling on the Blue Hole or diving out on the sea to see the underwater living fishes. Fishes such as the juvenile angelfish, the parrotfish, the queen angelfish, the yellow tang, the four-eyed butterflyfish, the blue-striped snapper, the surgeonfish, and barracuda are some of the fishes that are found in coral reefs.
I, on the other hand, depend on marine resources because of the natural resources management major. Seeing the diversity of species and other organisms living in the marine ecosystem and protecting the different diversity of species has been a major task in my life.
Since then, our rivers and sea have played a crucial role in Belize's economic development. In addition to that, people need air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, new medicines, a climate we can live in, beauty, inspiration, and recreation. We want a better future for those we care about. Because the oceans are the largest ecosystems on Earth, they're the Earth's largest life support systems. To survive and prosper, we all need healthy oceans. Oceans generate half of the oxygen people breathe. At any given moment, more than 97% of the world's water resides in oceans. Oceans provide a sixth of the animal protein people eat. They're the most promising source of new medicines to combat cancer, pain, and bacterial diseases. Living oceans absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and reduce the impact of climate change. The diversity and productivity of the world's oceans is a vital interest for humankind. Our security, our economy, our very survival all require healthy oceans. Whether we live on the coast or far from it, whether we eat seafood or not, we and the future of all those we love depends on healthy oceans. We need to ensure that we have healthy rivers to preserve our sea and oceans. It's the smart thing and the right thing to do.
You know what, guys? You're right. Let me pick up my garbage.
I'll be down by